If you know that logic, you can easily solve. From basics to depth, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and crystal clear concepts over the 1 year of 11th syllabus. Hi students, I am your Kumali ma'am. In this video, I am going to tell you about the new batch I am going to launch, that is 2222 batch number 22. In this batch, what I am going to teach you, how much is the duration, within how much time you can finish the syllabus. You know, this video is for the students like who have a myth of I can't read chemistry. Chemistry is very difficult subject for me, or this video is for the parents like who feel that your son or daughter facing a problem in understanding chemistry. Okay, you might be worrying that he or she he don't get marks only because he's not understanding anything, or you are the one you're already doing but still you want to improve and you want to do chemistry like a pro. This batch is for you. Watch it until the end. Fatafat I'll cover each point so that you will get a crystal clear clarity why you should enroll in this batch, what is the importance of this live batch. Okay, total how many months course it is. First see, total 3 months. Whatever the 1 year of 11th syllabus, just you are going to study in a 3 month. What is the 3 month? One is September, October and November. September, ma'am, what I am going to learn? Physical chemistry. October, what I am going to learn, ma'am? Organic chemistry. And November, inorganic chemistry. September 16th, the batch is going to start. So September 16 to October 16. Again, October 16, November 16. November 16 to December 16. 1 month. Coming to the physical chemistry, striking at problems. First thing is a concept clarity. You should have a clear clarity about the concepts. If you are very clear, next thing is you have to focus on numericals. Doing fatafat faster manner is most important. You might have a weak, or foundation is not strong, or you are not good at mathematics. No problem. Everything will be covered from basics. Basics to the depth you will learn just in a 1 month. And next one is organic chemistry. If you follow just your textbook standard, definitely will not be able to write the product. But in this 1 month duration, you will get the ability to write the reactions fatafat. You will understand everything regarding organic chemistry of 11th. You will study here. Coming to the inorganic chemistry, it is based on the memory power. Like if you see one reaction, that products remembering, or the trends remembering, exceptions remembering play an important role in inorganic chemistry. You will learn in this 1 month entire inorganic chemistry. Then one question come in your mind, ma'am, I'm not able to study in 1 year only, I'm not able to understand. How can I finish in just 3 months? I don't have any basics. I don't know. But then in my school, I am getting less marks. In my college, my sir is scolding me. Then this is the right course for you. You see, enroll in the course. Just to follow the instructions. Fatafat you will do chemistry equal to the topper in your class, more than topper. You will do it once you learn all the tricks and techniques. Solving a question paper in a faster manner is the most important add on to this course. Coming to the timings of the batch, you can go to your school, college, your coaching, no problem. Morning and evening time the batch will be. Morning live class is 6 to 7:30. That's it, 6 to 7:30. But my suggestion is, if anything is there after 8 o'clock only, you put your next class. Okay, so that if you get any doubt, you can raise your hand. You can talk to me after 7:30. You can clear it if you have any doubts. Evening class is same class of morning, which is recorded and rescheduled in the evening as a live. So morning class is a direct live interaction with me. Evening class is the same class of morning. Understand? So what I want you to do is, this batch you select, morning batch you select, my suggestion, always I say. But what students will do, no, they go to evening, equal number of students will be there always in morning, evening, they'll keep on, they'll change the batches. So it is your wish which batch you will select. But if you ask me priority, please interact with me, you sit in a morning class. If not at all possible, those specific days you go to evening batch and you attend evening. Whenever it is possible for you, sit in a morning live batch, and that fresh morning hours will make you very much active. Not possible, it's okay, fine, evening. Coming to this, what is the importance of this course? There are lots of courses. What is the importance, ma'am? This is the course where you can finish entire syllabus in 3 months and crystal clear concepts. With zero knowledge, you come and sit in the class. No basics not needed. Everything is clearly explained in a class itself. Pin to pin explanation, point to point explanation. From the basics to the depth, it will be clear. What else you need? When someone come and tell you, see, this is the map, this just to follow the route in a easy manner, easiest manner, you are going to learn the syllabus. Clear? Are you getting my point? Now, how you will attend the class? You can see the screen, right? You can see the screen. This is the way of presentation. Every gunshot points will come on your screen. Just you sit there, write fatafat all the points. Every point I'll dictate the notes. Happily you can sit in your home and you can listen. You no need to come to my place. You no need to travel for the best faculty to search. 1 month your teacher might be, next month or he may not be in that place. You know, from your home, directly you attend a live class, make all the notes point to point, happily, just to revise, just to do a revision, follow the instructions. Understand? Follow the instructions. Now see, whenever you are studying, you will stuck at some question, right? Then you will be having whom to, like, if someone come and explain this doubt clearly, I'll be very happy. You definitely get this point in your heart, because chemistry is the subject. If you know that logic, you jump in your place and you feel very happy, because without the logic it takes a long method to solve. But if you know the logics now, you can easily solve. That logics are most important. Whenever you are in that situation, just remember you have a Komali ma'am. This name you keep in your mind whenever you feel low, whenever you are feeling that you are not able to get good marks in chemistry, when you are expecting highest mark in chemistry, select me as your chemistry mentor and see the wonders which happen. Classes will be in a simple English language. Simple English, you never feel a difficulty. Even this batch was completed by 9th students and 10th class students also completed this course on request. Like students who are like already IIT JEE Foundation or NEET Foundation is going in their school, but they are not able to understand what the faculties are teaching, then they opt this course. They opted this course and they finished without any obstacles. So even you are a 9th and 10th also, you can, your sister or brother is studying also, you can refer this course, happily they will learn. So if 9th and 10th students only learn, means why can't a 11th student, 12th student, repeater or re-repeater, you are a dropper, any one of you, if your goal is for NEET and JEE, or you are a main student or a NEET student or you are a board student, this is an excellent course. Clear? And the syllabus is the new syllabus according to the NTA, whatever the pattern is there, same syllabus you all are going to learn. Simply install the Zoom app in your mobile phone or your laptop, and we will share you the class links 24 hours before. One day earlier, we'll share you the practice sheets which is required for the classes earlier. You can take the printout, and the next day you will be getting a class notes, practice questions on the concept-wise practice questions you will be getting, and you write every week examination. Every week exam you will write. One chapter, it will be run around 6 to 7 days. Every chapter, depending upon the length of the chapter, okay, weightage of the chapter. So once the chapter is done, I'll conduct the examination. 24 hours validity will be there. Just any 30 minutes, write the exam, finish the exam. The most important questions will be there in the examination. These classes, this course create a confidence. Why? Because whenever you are not understanding what teacher is teaching, then that self-doubt will be created in you. You will be getting a doubt like, see, I'm not understanding, right? Maybe I'm not good enough to understand this. Maybe I am not having that much skill or knowledge. Hey, you will feel that doubt. Okay, so don't have that doubt. The place where you are learning is not suiting you. Chemistry is not that much tough. You can easily crack chemistry. You can easily solve the questions in chemistry once you know the logics of how to do it. Understand? Everybody clear? This course will save your time. If you put in a self-effort, many books you have to study, many books you have to refer. But if you are in a coaching, the systematic plan of the course will help you what to study, what not to study, where to focus. That clearance, that confidence you will get. So it will make you stay focused towards your concepts. You will be well disciplined. You will be very much active. You can save your time. All this you can do with this course. Excellent course. Coming to your health also, when you are not doing properly, your parents will scold you. Your teacher scolds you. You don't know what to do. You open your book, but you don't understand where to start, how to start. Everything is linked to your health in turn. Once you are free from your chemistry, then you will search for similar, ma'am, any such kind of course are there for physics or biology. You will start finding once you habituated to our live classes. You will be well disciplined. Once you're habituated to your classes, you will only put your alarm. You will wait for the class. When class will start today, what new topics I am going to learn. That enthusiasm and that interest will be generated in you for sure. And our healthy tips and your motivational sessions during the classes will help you to be on the, sometimes any one of us, we feel low. One day you might feel low, but that day you may not study. But if you are in a coaching, if you are in the hands of a right mentor, those words will help you. Those words will help you to stay on the track. Is it clear? Is it clear? And coming to the course fee, most important, because many of you will ask, ma'am, this course fee is not affordable for me. No, it is very much affordable fee. It is per month it costs you 5,000 rupees. 3-month course, 5 3s are 15,000 rupees is the course fee. Weekly 5 days classes, Sunday and Monday are holidays. Sunday again doubts clearance session you will be having by an expert faculty. Monday you are going to write exam. So entire week you will be engaged with the classes. 5 days classes, Sunday doubts clearance session, that is optional. If you don't have any doubt, you no need to attend Sunday's class. It is only for the students who are stuck at some place. Again, still some help is needed for them, only doubt session. It is optional. For the entire 3-month course, means 1 year syllabus, from basics to depth, from zero level. It is not the course like this you know already, right? This you should study, right? No. Every point will be included and within a short time you can finish it. For the entire course, the fees is just 15,000 rupees including everything. But in this fee also, in this 15,000 rupees also, this fees is for the students who join, tomorrow class or already class started, it is going on. That running batch if you start or if you join, or 1 day earlier or 2 day earlier of the course if you join, this is a full fee you need to pay. If not, you are joining 2 months earlier, or any future batches you are going to join, that case you have to pay. The offer fees is only 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees is for just, ma'am, I am going to pay like a 10 days earlier of the course or 15 days earlier of the course offer, then give me some offer. 12,000 rupees. No, ma'am. Immediately after watching this video, immediately I'll join this course. Give me the first enroll admission. Then the course fees is just 9,000 rupees. Means per month it costs you only 3,000 rupees. For the live interactive classes, personal coaching in a Zoom class, you will on your camera, you can raise your hand, you can talk to the teacher, you can clear your doubts in person in the live session. For that, fees is only 9,000 rupees for the entire syllabus. Don't underestimate, ma'am, it is only 9,000. My father is paying lakhs to the college, where there they cannot do justice. You can do it. You will see the difference from the day one itself. Fee is 9,000 for the first enrolled 100 students. Okay, and don't worry if you miss this offer. This is the best one. The time you might see this video, or it may be delayed, you might come to either 12,000 or 15,000 rupees a fee. Don't worry that if you miss this offer, or this offer you might come, or 15,000. Don't think about that. See the value of the content. See how much this course will help you. See how much this course will help you. And how to join. Just to send, this course is only for the students. This course especially only for the students who are preparing for NEET, and if you are preparing for boards, or you are preparing for your mains examination, then you can opt for this course. Okay, and how to do is just to send your 10th mark sheet and photocopy to my WhatsApp number 9110662880 is my WhatsApp number. Is it clear? Just message your 10th mark sheet and photocopy. Just take your hand now, everybody, like this. Take your hand, show me your hand like this. Now keep your hand like this. See, chemistry transfer, chemistry knowledge transfer. You will get so much of knowledge in this course. This is not some course where, you will be left with some doubts, you will be left with some confusions. Never. You might be having a doubt whether I'll be able to understand or not. I'm very weak. Remove that fear. You will understand. That is for sure. You will understand. If you don't understand any single topic also, you raise your hand immediately in a class. On spot, you clear your doubt and you will be free from that. But you don't get that chance. Repetition will be there in topics. You will do it in my presence. I want to see you all in my classroom. My name is Komali. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in next video. Have a great day. Bye.
Chapter, ma'am and conducted tests, and these tests will help you to analyze in which topic you are with.
Normally, our classroom is the and the naming the tricks.
Your chemistry classes helped me a lot. So thank you so much, ma'am. Your tips and techniques are very much. I'm lucky to become your student.
For the help in my class information and matrix help.
Practiced the topics into easy pieces that boosted my confidence. Especially the